Hey guys, alright, let's go ahead and do a quick review of the Garmin Approach S10 GPS golf watch here. This is the watch itself. It's really lightweight, super comfortable to wear. Nice stretchy rubber style band on here. It doesn't bother me at all when I play. Here's the box it comes in. Here's the extra reading material, the manual that you can go through at your leisure. This is important. This is the charging cable for this watch, and as you can see the end here, that's a proprietary end for Garmin. Plugs into that 4-prong thingy there. So if you lose this cord, you're going to have to go buy a replacement. You can't just use your regular USB cord to plug it in. So I'd recommend keeping this guy in your golf bag. Now, let's go through a few of the features real quick. So we got 4 buttons, up, down, OK, and back. Really simple to operate. Just kind of scroll through here with your up and down. Go to a few different things. You need to go back, you just go back, and you click all the way back to getting back to your date and time. So that's really it with the functionality. Really simple to use. It's not a touch screen, not a swipe. You've just got 4 tactile buttons here. So really not a whole lot to it, which is actually nice when you're on the course. Speaking of the course, let's go ahead and get it out there. Hey guys, all right, pretty easy to set up here. So you hit OK to get the thing started. You hit start round. It locates the satellites. Finds out exactly where we are, and that ring closes. We'll be putting it going here. So that's my local course, and we'll get started. All right, we're on a par 4. We have 393 to the center of the green, and the GPS on the cart confirms that we are right on it at 393, which is great. This watch has been so much fun to use. I love taking it out when I play golf. You'll love it too. It is a total game changer.